In this video, we will show you how to replace your front sway bar links on this Toyota Sienna. You'll have two of these, each of them behind your front wheels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground so we can remove the wheel. To remove the wheel, we'll remove all 5 of our 21mm lug nuts. With the wheel out of the way, we have a clear view of our front sway bar link. Let's start removing the upper mounting point holding the sway bar link to the front strut. If you were to look in the center here, you're going to find an area that you can use an Allen head socket. Typically this is rusted and will strip out. If that's the case, go ahead and use some locking pliers along the back side here. Be careful not to cause any damage while we put this on. To remove the nut, you'll be using a 17mm. Let's move to the bottom of the sway bar link where it connects to your sway bar. For this, you know exactly what to do. We're going to hold the shaft area with some locking pliers, and we'll use a 17mm to remove that nut. There we are, that's nice and tight. Remove your sway bar link. Okay, let's prepare to install our brand new front sway bar link. We'll start by inserting this into the sway bar. Make sure you have it in the proper orientation here. We'll start on the mounting nut along the back side there. At this point, we're going to be using an 18mm to tighten this mounting nut. While using your locking pliers, be extremely careful not to cause any damage to your rubber protective boot. We'll torque this to 55 foot-pounds. Now let's align the upper portion of our sway bar link. We're going to pivot this over. Press that in. At this point, we'll start on the mounting nut. Snug it up, torque that to 55 foot-pounds. We'll make sure we're holding onto the back side here with some locking pliers. Being careful for our boot, of course. Make sure your sway bar link's completely secured. Now it's time to reinstall the wheel. Start on all 5 of your 21mm lug nuts and bottom them out. After that, we'll get the wheel down on the ground and you can torque each of these to 76 foot-pounds. Now that the wheel's back on the ground, we'll be torquing these to 76 in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay friend, we showed you how to install one side of your front sway bar links. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.